How to earn money on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can earn money using TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is, if you're not familiar with TikTok, you can simply go to tiktok.com on your mobile phone or on your laptop. TikTok is a short video sharing platform which gained popularity in 2020. It's very famous, and nowadays everybody loves TikTok and everybody has TikTok in their phone, and we use TikTok for entertainment, and we scroll through it, we watch videos, and we make TikToks just to get famous. But do you know that you can actually make money using TikTok, and you don't even have to show your face? These ways are legit, and you'll be able to make thousands of dollars using TikTok with just your laptop or your mobile phone. So there is nothing that you require. You just need internet connection and TikTok app, and then you will be able to make money. So this video will cover a lot of different ways to make money using TikTok. So let's jump into it. The first way to make money on TikTok is going to be TikTok business. Now, we know that TikTok is very easy to sign up for, and we have a general account on TikTok. So I have actually opened up TikTok on my laptop right here. If it seems a little, different to you, it's just on my laptop. So what happens on TikTok is that now TikTok has a business which is known as TikTok for Business. So what you can do is you can actually create a business account on TikTok. Like we used to create a business account on Facebook or Instagram, we can also do that using TikTok. So once you have a business account, then of course you can do business on TikTok. So how it works, first of all, you will sign up for the TikTok business account. Once you have it, it's going to be similar. The app is going to be similar, but you will get more options when it comes to business and when it comes to creators too. So we have right here, we have business, and you can set it up for a large business or a small business as well. And then we will be able to set up campaigns and ads using TikTok. So then what you need to do is you need to choose a goal. So once you have signed up, you will actually also get an ads manager on TikTok. So that is why we create a business account, because with just a simple account that you have right now, you cannot create ads and you're not getting business options. So if you want to create a business on TikTok, you will have to create this account, and then you can create ads. To create ads, you just choose your goal, and then you can choose your audience, and we can select audience if we want audience like from 12 to 16 years old, if we want from 16 to 25 years old. So we can select the audience and different region. Then we set up our budget. There is going to be a budget when it comes to creating ads on TikTok, but it's not that much. It can be like your own, whatever budget you have, maybe just $20 or $10. And then you design your ad. Now, TikTok ads are very similar to TikTok videos. You can create a photo or a video when it comes to creating an ad. So you just add a video and it's going to be your ad. This is how we see and watch ads on TikTok. They're very similar to videos that we create. So just how you are creating videos, you can create ads for your products that you're selling. And you can use TikTok for promotion, for marketing, and as your business. So now it's time to actually move out of just TikTok making for entertainment, but we can also, use it for business. And you will be, of course, able to make money. Now, when it comes to TikTok, another way you can make money is by becoming a famous TikToker. If you have an account on TikTok, not even that famous, I'm not talking about millions of followers and millions of views. No, you just need an account that is actually good and an account that is getting traffic. So if you have an account, maybe just even a couple of thousand followers, you can actually do collaboration, and there are different paid collaboration available out there. And the best thing that I really like, and one of the things that people don't go towards, is product review videos. So if you have some followers, you can create product review videos on TikTok and make money. A lot of people pay a lot of money for product review. For example, if a company launched a new product, they want you to, review it. And you might have seen a lot of people making product reviews, like they review makeup, they review different kitchen products, they review clothes, and they're actually getting paid for it because they have followers, and different people would want their product to be reviewed. So that's what you can do, and you can get different product review gigs from Upwork and Fiverr as well. Now it's a little more work, but it's all online, and you can just do that quickly and create product reviews. If you do not want to show your face, that's okay. You can just create a video using an editor, and you can use stock footage for it. So you don't even require to show your face, or you don't need to make dancing TikToks, but you can just simply create product review videos and make money. Another way to make money on TikTok. Now, these are ways that you use TikTok to make money. Now, it's not going to be directly making money from TikTok, but it's going to be how we can use TikTok. So what you need is you can actually create your own merchandise, and you can create your own products. You can create print on demand and promote the products on TikTok. TikTok has billions of users, and the audience is there. The audience is active on TikTok, and that's what we need to use. So what you can do is I would suggest going to teespring.com and checking it out. What happens on Teespring is that you can create print on demand products, you can create your own design, and you can create products right here on Teespring, and it gives you your own store for free. There is zero investment right here on Teespring. So what happens here is that we just create our online store, and then we design our product. For example, I can get any kind of design, and I can just design different shirts that are available here. Now, I don't need to take care of the shipment. I don't need to take care of manufacturing. Nothing. I don't have to take care of anything. I just design a product on Teespring, create my own store, right? I will design the product, and after that I will price the product, and we earn our profit. So if I have the manufacturing price of, let's say this hoodie is $12, then I can list it for $30, and then I will be making the rest of the money. The $12, Teespring will take its $12, that's it, and I'll take my profit. Now, what I can do is we get our own link for our product. I'll go to TikTok and I'll be like, I have launched my own merchandise, and I have my own products. I have my hoodie, I have my t-shirts with these cool designs, and people will check them out and they will buy my product, and I will be able to make money, of course, thousands of dollars using TikTok. I will be using TikTok as my, partner for my product. So this is how it works. Another way we can make money on TikTok, again, not a direct way, but we can do affiliate marketing. So what happens in affiliate marketing is you can go to any of the affiliate marketing platform, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and there are a lot of others, Digistore24. Just go to any of the affiliate marketing product and sign up for that and get your affiliate link. Once you have your link, you'll come back to TikTok. Again, we're going to use the audience, and you can tell your followers that click on this link and check out the product. This is actually perfect for CPA marketing, where you earn money by just an action that is taken on your link. So you will ask your followers to click on the link and check it out. We also do that on YouTube, and they will simply do it. Again, you don't need to show your face. You can just create a video using Canva or any other editing software, and then you can add the link in the description, and your followers will check it out and they'll be like, okay, so this is actually a cool product. If they buy it, then you will be able to actually make a lot more money, and of course this way TikTok will help you make money. And now you cannot just watch TikTok and enjoy it, you can use it to make money. Once you follow these different ways, now I gave you different ways, whatever suits you the most, you can go ahead and check them out right now if you're looking for a way to make money on TikTok. And once you get famous on TikTok, then of course we know that different collaboration brands approach you, and you get free products, and you get money as well. So that's actually amazing thing, and TikTok is a very good platform for to share your moments and also to make money now. So make sure that you check out TikTok and you check out the different ways I told you about Teespring, and go to Digistore24 for affiliate, and you will be able to actually make money on TikTok. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.